Greetings to Dr. Farzani. We are Group 11 from Engineering Economy Section 2. Now, we are going to present our project. Now, let me introduce you our team. Firstly, Komlaveli Sarangabani. Secondly, Abhilashni Vespanathan. Next, Kavilashni Arjunan. And me, myself, Shahid Muzur Maheswari. And finally, Muhammad Amirul Ashraf bin Mat Zaidi. Now, I'm going to present the introduction for our project. Introduction to Economic Evolution in Engineering Projects. Benefit cost ratio (BCR) is an important method in economic evaluation in engineering and projects. It helps for assumption of evaluating time and interest rates. The key financial documents for project stabilities are income statement, cash flow statement, balance sheet, and analysis required for accessing company readiness. Next, integration of corporate performance assessment. It is an important role in determining project viability and linking economical evaluation with company's financial health. Challenges in decision making. It gives the impact of unexpected economic developments and unique project specific issues. Managing uncertainty with engineering economic concepts is a risk analysis and its application is sensitivity analysis for identifying crucial factors in the project. Next, framework for decision making is an integration of engineering economics principle, company performance analysis, and economic evaluation. Economic evaluation ensures project reliances, the strategies to address uncertainties, and it's important of through analysis and planning. Now, let me introduce you to our company. Our company's name is Skyline Contractors Sanjan Berhad, and this is our company's logo. Skyline Contractors Sanjan Berhad is an upcoming construction company in Malaysia. It primarily involved in real estate development, construction, and civil maintenance work. The headquarters is located in Klang Valley, with focus of building luxurious houses. Our company was established in 2022, which is led by CEO Muhammad Amirul Ashraf bin Mat Zaidi. And our motto for our company is building a better tomorrow for today. The vision of our company is to be the leading provider of custom home building services in the region and known for committed to quality and customer satisfaction. The mission for our company is to provide clients with the highest quality custom homes that exceeds their expectations. This is the organization chart for Skyline Contractors India Berhad. The CEO of the company is Muhammad Amirul Ashraf bin Mat Zaidi. Komlavali Sarangamani as the marketing director. The executive director is Kavilashni Arjunan. The project manager is Abhilashni Vespanathan, and me myself as a construction manager.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For my part is project management. The project title is proposal for construction and completion. Location is Iskandar, Malaysia. Project type multi-purpose development, and estimate construction cost is uh, 3,200 meter square. Estimate service cost 200 meter squares. For the project background, gaining attention as a smart city, endorsement is by the Prime Minister on November 1, 2014, to enhance economic vibrancy and quality of life. Focus on integrate advanced technology and sustainable practice. The goal is to support business growth and community well-being. So for the project summary, purpose, utilize Iskandar Malaysia's smart city, infrastructure and business friendly environment. The features commercial, residential and recreational facilities, investment significant contribution to Iskandar Malaysia future. For the commitment, sustainable development, economic vitality, and better quality of life. So for the goal of Iskandar Malaysia City is transform to region into a globally competitive and attractive place to live, work, and invest. So for the parties involved, construction company Iskandar Regional Development Authority, IRDA, local government and authorities. So for the construction estimation, it will be 36 months. That is 3 years. So for the next slide is life cycle cost. So the definition of the life cycle cost is estimate all expenses of owning an asset, including procurement, operation, maintenance, and decommissioning. So for the core aim is to determine and track total ownership expenses throughout the asset life. So for the duration, from acquisition to disposal of the asset. So the focus of this project is understand post acquisition expenses, and for the purpose of this life cycle call is forecast total ownership expense and facilitate cost comparison over the assets lifespan. So for the benefits of the life cycle cost is evaluate long-term cost. Second, identify cost trends and make informed trades off to minimize the total expense. And the last one is predict and monitor the costs that going out. So next, the process steps. Number one is plan analysis. Number two, model creation and development. Number three, model application. Number four, documentation and results review. Number five, life cycle cost analysis preparation. And the last one is implementation and monitoring. So for the phase of an asset is number one is acquisition. The acquisition is planning, tendering, conceptual, and detailed design. And for the next one is operation. So for the operation is construction, operation, maintenance, handover, and decommissioning. So for the acquisition phase, there is a few steps that will take. For the first one is initial steps. Develop a bill of quantities, hire a consultant, and consultant assess clients' needs and project feasibility. So for design agreement, proceed with conceptual design and establish a design agreement. So for the design team, create create a comprehensive project design and prepare contract document. So for client approval, finalize a design and documentation like drawing, specification, and contract. So for tendering process, prepare project concept and contract documentation. Invite bids from interested parties, and the last one is quantity surveyor evaluate tender. For the tender selection, client assesses and selects a successful bidder, execute agreement with the selected bidder. So for the next slide is operation phase. The activities of the operation phase is number one, production, manufacturing, and service delivery. And the second one is manage personal and consumable supplies. And for the operations, that is manufacture, distribute, or construct the end product or service. So and ensure itself its intended function or client use. So for ensure productive and reliable operation, assess replacement needs, plan for retirement and disposal. And for the cost distribution, it will be 80 percent of life cycle cost determined by decision in the acquisition phase, and 80% of actual expenses incurred during the operational phase. So for the last slide for me is work breakdown structure. That is WBS. The purpose of the work breakdown structure is to guide project manager and teams through project complexities. And second, focus emphasize deliverables and clear description of goal at each stage. So for the benefits when using work breakdown structure is enhanced communication among team members and stakeholders. It's in resource allocation and risk management, identifies and mitigates potential risk, and so on. And for the project estimation, breakdowns project into manageable components, allows accurate times and cost estimation. So for the role in the work breakdown structure, backbone of project management, provide framework for planning, executing, and monitoring projects. Ensures project are complete on time within budget and to stakeholders, uh, and so on. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Good day to Dr. Farzani. I'm Ablashni Vespanathan, CF 210153, would like to present about the company background of our project. Masing Group Berhad is a Malaysian real estate development company that was founded in 1965 as a plastics trading firm. With its sheer determination and continuous improvement, now it is one of the leading company which is actively involving in construction and development of buildings. It covers a wide range of projects, including residential, commercial, and industrial properties. Masing practices wise fund management with emphasis of maintaining low gearing ratio. This enables the company to enjoy strong support from its financial institution. Masing also has received numerous awards for its unwaverable favors towards the community, which delves into sustainability and environment.
A very good day to Dr. Farzani. I am Abhilashni Vespanathan, CF210153, would like to present about the analysis of the company performance from company financing. To evaluate the current ratio of the company, we need to retrieve the balance sheet and financial statement and cash flow of the company of 2 consecutive years. Here, I have had here the cash flow statement and balance sheet of the company in this slide. To compute the current ratio of the company for the year 2023, we need to divide the current asset divided by current liability, where we got 6.29 as the current ratio of the company. There are certain elements that we need to calculate to compare the margin decrease or increase and revenue increase for the 2 consecutive years. For year 2023, the total revenue was 2,603,212 ringgit, whereas the total revenue for year 2022 was 2,317,228 ringgit. Now, for the gross margin, year 2023 achieved the percentage of 22.88%, while year 2022 obtained the percentage of 22.13%. For the operating profit margin, it was 14.15 for year 2023 and 14.61 for year 2022. The profit margin has decreases by 0.46 in the year of 2023, and the total revenue increased by 10.98% on the year of 2023, which is a good improvement. And in my point of view, the company is able to control costs effectively. Thank you. Hello, doctor. My name is Komalavali Anapurpa Sarakapani and my train number is CF210290. I'm going to present about the cost benefit ratio. The selected financial institution for our project is Maybank because it is the leading financial service group in Southeast Asia with a global presence. Maybank offers a wide range of solutions as per customer needs and also a wide-winning record for innovation excellence. The next slide is about the calculation of cost-benefit ratio. The cost-benefit analysis are as stated in this slide. In this slide shows the calculation of total benefit, which is RM 21 million. The total investment is RM 63.4 million. The market value is 20 million and the maintenance cost is RM 4 million. For the interest factor, we choose 7%, which is the present worth is 4.1002 and capital recovery is 0.24389. In this slide shows the benefit cost for present worth calculation. The conventional BC ratio with PW is 1.440, which is greater than 1, and the modified BC ratio with PW is 1.606, greater than 1. In the next slide shows the calculation of benefit cost for annual worth AW. The conventional BC ratio with annual worth is 1.440, which is greater than 1, means pass. The modified BC ratio with annual worth is 1.606, which is greater than 1. It is also pass. The next is about the discussion on economic evaluation was company's performance. Benefit cost ratio greater than 1 indicates economic viability. For the inflation impact, adjust future cash flow for accurate BCR. Use the F equals to P bracket 1 plus I power of n formula to consider inflation. For the risk and uncertainty, conduct sensitivity analysis to see how key factors impact feasibilities. Perform risk analysis to identify and mitigate potential risks. For the discount rate selection, choose a rate reflecting cost of capital and opportunity cost. Analyze BCR sensitivity to different discount rates. For the opportunity cost, compare project with other investment using NPV or IRR. Ensure optimal use of company resources. Thank you.
Good day, Dr. Fazani and everyone. My name is Kavilashni Arjunan and my matric number is CF210130. Today, we are going to discuss the project status justification for the new multipurpose development in Iskandar, Malaysia. This development is estimated to cost about 3,200 ringgit per meter square for construction and 2,000 ringgit per meter square for the services. To justify the project status, we will apply the principles of engineering economy to evaluate the feasibility and viability of this project. This development represents a comprehensive initiative to enhance the region's economic vibrancy and also improve the quality of life for its residents. The first step in this process to clearly define the problem and the objective of the project. This ensures that all relevant factors are considered and the analysis is focused on the right goals. The project aims to create a smart city that goes beyond urban planning, focusing on economic vibrancy and the quality of life. As we mentioned earlier, this development is estimated to cost about 3,200 ringgit per meter square for construction and also 2,000 ringgit per meter square for the services. Next, we need to estimate the cash inflows and outflows associated with the projects. These include considering the initial reinvestment, ongoing operation and maintenance costs, as well as any potential revenue or cost savings. With the cash flow estimates in hand, the next step is to perform a financial analysis using various metrics such as benefits cost ratio, net present value, and also internal rate of return. These metrics provide a comprehensive evaluation of the project's financial viability, taking into account the time value of money and the project's risk profile. The results of the financial analysis are then used to select the best alternative based on the project objective and constraint. This decision-making process ensures that the chosen alternative is the most economically justified and aligns with the project goals. Finally, the selected alternative is implemented and its performance is monitored to ensure that it continues to meet the project objectives. This ongoing monitoring and evaluation process help to identify any potential issues or changes in the project's financial landscape, allowing for timely adjustment and also cost corrections. By following this structured approach, Principal Engineering Economy provides a robust framework for justifying the project status. It ensures that the decision making process is based on a comprehensive financial analysis rather than relying solely on subjective or intuitive assessments. This, in turn, helps to build confidence in the project's viability and increases the likelihood of successful implementation. Based on DCF analysis, the installation project has a positive NPV indicating that it is economy viable and justifiable. These project benefits, including energy savings, carbon credits, and increased property value, outweigh its cost, making it worthwhile investment for the building management. Thank you.
The final part of our presentation, conclusion. Benefit cost ratio analysis. Both conventional and modified BC ratios should be more than 1.0, which indicates the anticipated benefits exceed project's cost and also highlights the financial viability of the project. Financial visibility. The strategic project financing approach is diversified funding mix in quality and depth, which also aligns with positive financial trajectory. As a conclusion analysis, we can say that the project is well positioned for success, with promising outlook with sustainable cash flow anticipated, considering eco-friendly features and transit charges. Finally, the recommendation. We hope we move forward with confidence in project's financial visibility and with the potential for future adjustment based on ongoing evaluation. That's all from us. Thank you very much.